Hey guys, I have missed you all so much. So you may or may not know that I gave birth to our son Camden the day after Christmas, so I have been incredibly busy with two boys. So that is why I've been a little bit MIA, but we're finally getting into a routine now, and so my mom came over today to watch the boys, and I'm really excited to be partnering with Fabfitfun today to share with you a few of their spring add-ons. So I hope everyone's had a great start to the year. I cannot believe that we're already heading into spring, but I'm really excited for some warmer weather. It's supposed to be almost 70 here today, which is really bizarre for February, but I am excited because it means I can get the boys out of the house and we can play outside to get some of that pent-up energy out, which is really nice. Well, let's get started. I'm going to be sharing with you a few of the spring 2019 Fabfitfun add-ons. So if you've been here a while, you already know that Fabfitfun is my absolute favorite subscription service. It is seasonal, which means it comes out 4 times a year, and they have full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness products. So in addition to getting a box every season, when you become a member, you also gain exclusive access to their add-ons. And add-ons are a members-only flash sale where they heavily discount amazing products that you can add to your box. So here's just a preview of some of the many Fabfitfun Spring add-ons. So the first spring add-on is from Zoe Ayla, and this is their 7-piece Marble Effect makeup brush set, and it comes with a vegan leather pouch. Really chic. So this is what the vegan leather pouch looks like. You can see it also has the gray and white marble effect and a rose gold zipper, which is really cute. And then, ooh, these are the makeup brushes. You can see they have the marble effect handle and rose gold here at the top. And oh my goodness, they are super soft. It comes with a powder brush, one for contouring, blush, foundation, highlight, eye smudge, and eyebrow. So your entire makeup routine, here you go, and they're absolutely beautiful to display on the vanity. So love that spring add-on. So the next spring add-on is from Makeup Drop, and this is their hybrid silicone pad plus blending sponge. And I've actually tried their silicone pad and I really like it. So I'm excited for this new product that looks like it kind of is a mix of a beauty blending sponge and the silicone sponge, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, that has kind of like a tapered contoured edge right here, and this is a silicone teardrop, and then the other side is your sponge. So that's really neat. I'm excited to try that out and see how that changes my makeup application. So you're supposed to apply the product with the silicone side, dab, draw, or sculpt the makeup onto your face, and then blend out the edges with the sponge side. Love that add-on from Makeup Drop. The next add-on is from Milk Makeup. I actually used this morning. This is their holographic stick in the shade Mars. It is so beautiful. It definitely has that holographic look to it. It is warm toned. It's kind of like a peachy color, as you guys can see. And it is gorgeous. Peachy, pink, and purple holographic undertones. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get closer. It's really hard to get this to pick up on camera, especially with the crazy lighting that we have today. But it is a really beautiful shimmery holographic effect. You can see that the product is cream, so really easy to apply. You literally just rub the stick on your upper cheekbone, your cupid's bow, anywhere that you want to highlight. I also have it on my upper cheekbone so you can see the really nice highlight. Absolutely love that. Next add-on is this really cute set of greeting cards and envelopes, and it has this ink splatter design, which is pretty cool. And they say greetings and salutations. They are just blank cards that you can send out. So it comes with 10 cards and 10 envelopes. These are always nice to have on hand when somebody gets you a gift, or if someone's sick or you just want to send a hello. I always like to have these, so that's a great idea. Next is this really cool mask from Mask Bar. This is a luminizing charcoal peel-off mask. And in 30 minutes, you'll have better skin. And I absolutely love charcoal masks, so I'm really excited about this. Also, especially excited because it's a peel off, and I love to peel off my masks. I know that sounds really weird. So this set comes with 3 masks, which is amazing. And you guys probably already know that charcoal purifies, it deep cleanses, it's really gonna get in there and pull out all of those yucky impurities. So I'm really excited to try this charcoal mask from Mask Bar. Next add-on is from May Love. This is their Night Renewer Glycolic Acid Cream. I am a huge proponent of glycolic acid. I use a glycolic acid cleanser weekly. It just does amazing things for your skin. So this is going to gently exfoliate and hydrate your skin. So really great if you have more mature skin like myself. And this is just going to smooth it out, reduce the appearance of pores. It has a really nice light scent, so perfect for nighttime. Next we have a shampoo and conditioner duo from Dp Hue, and I have tried their hair products before and they're really nice, especially if you color your hair like I do. So this is their Cool Blonde shampoo and Cool Blonde conditioner, and this is supposed to neutralize yellow tones and protect against brassiness. Yes! Really, really excited to use these. You can see it's actually purple, which always works amazing to really just get out the yellow and orange tones. Next spring add-on is from EIR NYC. This is Face Rescue Oil Serum, a restorative facial moisturizer. It has a bunch of natural ingredients like elderflower oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, vitamin E. Oh my gosh, vitamin E is like a lifesaver for skin, so I'm excited to see that. Lavender, rosewood, evening primrose oil. Sounds really amazing. I'm really into more natural products these days. It does smell herbal, but it's like a nice light lavender scent, which I do not mind. So I'm excited to try that out because that seems very hydrating. And I am dry as a bone lately. This winter has been so harsh for my skin and hair. Next spring add-on is from Cali Uwi. This is their Pure Brew Micellar Cleansing Water. Really pretty packaging, isn't it? Gorgeous. And I really like Micellar cleanser to remove my makeup. That's pretty much all that I use on just a nice cotton pad, and it does an amazing job at removing makeup without being overly greasy. No smell, so that's really great. So I'm excited to try this makeup remover out. Love this add-on, especially the packaging. It's just really pretty. This would be gorgeous on your vanity. Next spring add-on option is from Ripple Safety, and this is an emergency alert button with 24/7 protection. It looks almost like a little tiny padlock, and it says you just click this when you need help. So you can set this up for free, or you can get the 24/7 professional monitoring team for $10 a month. You can just have this in your bag, or you can wear it. It never needs charging. It's water resistant. It works with iPhone or Android. And if you click it one time, it sends a text message alert to up to 5 pre-selected contacts with your location, telling them that you are in an uncomfortable situation. And 3 or more clicks sends a text message to up to 5 pre-selected contacts telling them that you're in an emergency, and it tells them where you're at. So this is so cool, especially nowadays. Oh my gosh, there's so many creepers out there. So this is like really nice and reassuring just to have. You could clip this on your bracelet or clip this on your handbag. Great, especially if you have teenage children that are away at college or even in high school. Or if you just go out to the mall, oh my gosh, you just can never be too safe, you guys. So next is from Philip Kingsley. This is their Elasticizer, an intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. And it adds elasticity, manageability, bounce, and shine. This is an intense treatment. You use it before you shampoo, you wet your hair and then work it into your hair. And then it even comes with a plastic cap that you apply over top once you've applied this, and you let it sit, and then you rinse it out. So, oh my gosh, I need this so badly because my ends are tore up. Oh my gosh, it's like a really thick cream, you guys can see. How cool is that? So I'm really excited to use this because, like I said, my hair is horrible and my hair appointment is still over a week away. So that's a really great option, especially if your hair has suffered a bunch of damage this winter like mine has, really dried out. You need to rejuvenate it. This is a great option. Next add-on is super cute. This is from Carousel. This is their Melting Popsicle Ring Holder. How cool is this? So neat for spring and summer to have out on your vanity. Look how cute this is. I loved it. Oh my gosh. It's a little ceramic ring holder with a melting green popsicle, and you just pop your ring on the popsicle stick. How stinking cute is that, you guys? Absolutely love it. So that's a really fun add-on. Last but not least is from Revitalash Cosmetics. And this is their Defining Liner Eyeliner in Deep Java. I love Revitalash. Really, really pigmented and creamy. So smooth. Oh, I love that. Really nice defined tip, so you can really do like a thin line or you can do a thicker line, and it has a smudger here on the other end so that you can easily just smudge it out, which is really nice. Create more of that smoky, smudgy look, which is so popular right now. So absolutely love that. That's a really nice eyeliner. I like the packaging too. So again, that is from Revitalash. So those are all of the Spring 2019 Fabfitfun add-ons that I had to share with you guys today. Don't forget about my $10 off coupon code down below. Be sure to pick up your first Fabfitfun box and you can get it for under $40. And I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed. Their boxes are always amazing. The spring box is coming out soon and I already know it's gonna be really, really good, you guys. I got a sneak peek, so I'm really excited to share that with you all. Be sure to head on over and pick out your add-ons because they do sell out fast, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and until next time, bye y'all.